Learn SQLite in Neovim. Episode 1. Hello SQLite. Your first database. SQLite is a lightweight database engine. It stores data in a single file. No server needed. It runs right on your machine. In this series, we learn SQL while coding in Neovim, building both skills at once. Today, tables, rows, and queries. Let's begin. We create a new SQL file with NVIM. Insert mode. Now we type. Comments start with 2 dashes. These are notes for us. Dot mode column formats output into neat columns. Dot headers on shows column names at the top. Create table makes a new table. We name it contacts. Eddy's the primary key. SQLite assigns it automatically. Name and phone are text columns. They store strings. The closing parenthesis and semicolon finish the statement. Bang SQLite 3 memory. This runs our file in memory. No output. The table was created silently. That is normal. Insert into adds a row. Values go in single quotes. A second contact. Same pattern, different data. And a third. 3 rows in our contacts table. Select star from contacts. This shows all rows and columns. Save and run the complete file. Three rows in neat columns. Our first query works. Jump to top to review our code. Recap. 3 key takeaways. First, create table defines columns with types like text and integer. Second, insert into adds rows. Values go in single quotes. Third, select star shows all data. This is the most common query. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more SQLite tutorials. Next episode: inserting data.